What is going on today, ladies and gentlemen? A long time ago, 7 months ago to be exact, Haley ZV was the very first person to ever ask me to react to a specific thing. It was the very first viewer request I ever got. Of course, here you can see where I told her that I had 2 videos lined up, and since then, full-time work took its toll, but it never was forgotten. So let's do that today. So when I first looked up this song, there was really, there was like a really dark cover art and music playing, which is fine. I just didn't know how I was going to react to that. Well, thankfully, between then and now, this band, this group, whatever you want to call them, has gotten a little bit bigger. When I looked them up, they only had 2,000 views. And since then, they have created an official AMV for us to watch while we're reacting to their music. And they raked up 15,000 views. I'm always more than happy to help any underground band get out there. I don't have much pull yet. I've only got 301 subscribers, which I'm very, very grateful for every last one of you. But I'd really like, that's kind of one of my visions for this channel, is to take bands that are very, very talented, or bands that think that they have what it takes to get a little bit of spotlight, and put them out in that spotlight and see what they're made of. Anyway, UNDEAD PAPI x TORTVRE. The song is called No Talking. Here's the official AMV. Let's react.
Talking, let it spray. What you gotta say, you got the problem, let it bang. Bitch, keep that energy, come outside, I let it rain. Bitch, do a silver spoon, I run up, break your fucking plate. On phone on my nigga, these niggas are tripping, they paying the most only fans while they sipping the summer. No dressing, no black, I be dripping, my nigga, your tongue gon' be up the car taking, I'm grabbing that chopping, them bodies be flipping.
Let me stop and critique you I love the vocals. Love the vocals. Keep the vocals just the way they are. You guys got the vocals down pat. It sounds like there's 2 different people there. I don't know if that's, I don't know anything about this band at all. So if I say anything that I don't want everybody to think I know everything there is to know about this band, because I don't. This is my very first time, second time ever listening to them. In my head while I'm listening to this song, I'm hearing places where you could take Djent samples or guitar samples, heavily distorted guitar samples, and put them in there and really twist it up. Only do that if that's your thing. That's my thing, you know. But only do that if you think it's a good idea, because the music you write should be for you first.
And I'm catching you slipping, you run like a chicken. You talking that shit, I don't care that you kidding. You niggas be hitting, you mad cause I'm winning. Blast that behemoth, or bitch, we ain't fucking. Wasting my time, stupid bitch, you ain't nothing. I don't do favors, you bitch, be bugging. Don't give a fuck that you bitches want something. Me and my nigga undead in this bitch, we be killing this shit, yeah, we keeping it bustin'. Just to my homies, we loading the pipes, we gon' drive by your block, you won't see that shit coming. Keeping that strap all tucking, smoking that loud, be puffin'. Goofy asshole, I ain't coming. Lying to my face while these bitches be bluffing. Stupid ass, goofy ass nigga got me fucked up. Talking that shit, that motherfucker better run up. Fuck around and get your fucking house all blown up. Feeling like a bar, watch your fucking church burn up. Fuck up out my face, I'm with that talking, let it spray.
When this voice kicks in, this is the raspier voice. The other voice is cleaner. This is the raspier kind of yelling voice. When this voice kicks in, you guys need to over distort to 808s. Just my opinion. I think that would go really good. Like when that really raspy voice kicks in and starts, like that inner demon kicks in, over distorted 808s would pop with that voice.
Gotta say you got the problem, let it bang. Bitch, keep that energy, come outside, I let it rain. Bitch, do a silver spoon, I run up, break your fucking brain. All the shuck is dropping, I'm a stop, my only option. Pierce upon your coffin, close, gassy mother savage. Where you fucking knocking, body blown up by your rocket. Under up the corners, got your whole family boxing. Blow limbs up while they walking, go ahead to your grave crawling. Funeral service, mocking, smoking dead, I'm scoffing. Caught you fucking losses, you fucked up with all the talking. You a
that's it, folks. I dug it. I liked it. All critiques that I could possibly give, I've already given. I will always put guitar samples in my music. Ghostmane was probably the first venture I had into trap metal, and he used to make music a lot like that, very very similar to this. I'm not going to sit here and say that is my favorite cup of tea, because it ain't, but I dig it, and I think is just completely full of potential. I'm just telling you what I think, and just one man's opinion. But that's it for today. Peace.